In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Docusign certificate of completion. It's a simple and straightforward process, but having these tips at hand will make it even easier. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to visit the official Docusign website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.docusign.com. Docusign is recognized as the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so you can trust that all your business agreements are in good hands. Once you're on the Docusign website, you'll see the login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After entering your username and password, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, it's time to get down to business. Look for the Agreements tab, which is usually listed in the navigation menu. Clicking on this will display all the agreements associated with your account. These agreements are organized for easy access and management. Next, direct your attention to the Documents section. This is where all your signed and pending documents are stored. By clicking on Documents, you'll be able to see a list of all the documents and agreements you have processed through Docusign. With the document list in front of you, the next logical move is to download the document of interest. Select the specific document you're looking to view the certificate of completion for. Once selected, look for the download option. Clicking this will typically prompt your browser to save the document to your designated download folder. Make sure you know where your files are saved so you can find them easily later. Finally, with the document downloaded, you'll want to locate and view the certificate of completion. This certificate provides a comprehensive audit trail of your signed document, detailing who signed the document, when they signed it, and if there were any modifications. Look for the certificate of completion option and select it. You should now see all the details that verify the finalization of that agreement. And there you have it, you've successfully viewed a certificate of completion in Docusign. This document not only acts as proof that an agreement was finalized, but also provides transparency and peace of mind. Whether you're managing business contracts or personal agreements, understanding how to access these certificates is essential for ensuring all your transactions are documented accurately. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating through Docusign with ease.